Alright students, I'm going to show you the army jump step dance move. Quite a simple dance move when you actually get the hang of it. One thing I want you to learn first is basically the foot movement. So let's break it down. Let's look at the legs first. I want you to get used to jumping, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When you've gotten that rhythm of jumping with the counts, 1 and 2 and, okay? I want you to lift your knee up on the and, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So now that you've gotten used to doing this jump skip movement, okay? We want to add in the arm movement. So every time we bring our foot back down for the double leg jump, the jump that consists of both feet touching the ground at the same time, every time we bring our foot down for that, we want to bring our arms down at the same time, okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It can really help to actually start off the movement by actually bringing your foot up like this to begin with the 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, if that makes sense. Now that you're a pro, let's practice it to some music.